Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool talk, or my tool justification anyways, is going to be about the price that I got all these Milwaukee products for. These are all things I kind of been wanting, and a deal presented itself, and at least I'm going to give you the justifications behind why I bought these, and this deal is still going on. I doubt that there's probably going to be very many of you that are going to be in the same exact boat as me, and whereas you're wanting a set of sockets like this, you're also in Packout, also wanting the free things that came with it. But I'm going to share it with you, share my reasons behind why I bought it. You can tell me if I had to justify it too much or whatever it might be. But ultimately, I've been wanting some half-inch impact sockets. I've mentioned that before in previous videos. That's what this set is here. It's the 49, 66, 6806, 31 piece metric and SAE. There's all the sizes that you'll get in that, which I'm going to show them to you here in just a minute so you'll be able to see them in person. But I've been wanting some, and if I had my preference, it would have been no doubt that I would have bought the Milwaukee ones, but they're pricey. I've already got the 3/8 set, and I absolutely love those, but I use those. Those stay in my truck because those are all sizes that I typically run into in my work life. Half-inch sockets, that's not something that I probably would normally use. These are going to stay in my garage. Every now and then I would need one for some specific job or something like that. But these are going to stay in my garage. And again, these are going to cost you $250 for this right here. Normal price, this is what you get. Well, I had a 10% off coupon, so I got them for $235. So I got a little bit off. But ultimately, it come down to the fact that they come in this Packout case. I'm in Packout, and I use these. And I also got some driver bits that right now you get for free if you buy this set as well. And again, Packout is something that I use in my truck for my tools and my organizers, all those kinds of things. Now these half-inch sockets, they come in these trays that are removable. So I could take these trays here, there's all those metric sizes, and I could put those in my toolbox, or what I'm probably going to do is, because I've got socket rails, I will just take these sockets here, put them in the top drawer of my toolbox on those socket rails, and just use them like that. And then I'll put these trays somewhere where I'll be able to find them at a later point if I need to change them out or for whatever reason. And again, these are lifetime warranty sockets, and they're just enjoyable to use. I love the markings on them. Again, I'm a red and black person. I just really like them. Would I have probably bought these without justifying what I'm going to do? Probably not. But I really wanted these. If I had my druthers, these are what I would have picked out. And again, they're just so nice to use. But I mean, they're impact sockets. You can get a cheaper set that's going to work just as well. But so I paid $235. Well, this Packout organizer is going to run you 50 bucks. It's $49.99. Now, obviously, it's going to come with the little cups that can hold screws and, you know, whatever it is that you want to use them for, if you want to organize materials in it. I've got plenty of extra of those if I want to take and put some of those in here from where I've removed them from other organizers and things like that. But a bonus surprise was for me was that it actually comes with some foam padding, some foam inserts underneath of the socket trays. I didn't even know that that was the case, but that's even a bigger bonus for me. So for $50, I got this Packout, which what I've been doing is I've been taking my tools, and so this is how I'm working out of my truck now. I keep this in my garage, which maybe not this one because I use this pretty often, so this stays in my truck. But I keep certain tools in my garage, all snapped together in Packouts. And then whenever I'm going to a job, whenever I know what it is, I'll take stuff out of my garage because I don't have all the room in the world, and I'll put things in my truck. So here's an example of how I build one out. There's my 3-plane Bosch laser. I've got that in foam with all the accessories and a charger and things like that I would use with that. So I've been buying these for $50 just here and there. Whenever I get a gift card or whenever I get the perk points or something like that, that's kind of what I've been using them for. But so now I basically got $50 here, and I got the foam that I can basically cut a tool and put in here, put this one in the next organizer, cut a tool, and then put the accessories for it over in here. So if I was going to buy this anyways, I can take that $50 and I can take that off of that $235. And I think my math is right. I think that gets me down to $185. Again, still expensive for some half-inch sockets, but it's still the sockets that I wanted, and I'm working my way down on the price to justify why it was a good deal for me to go ahead and buy them right now. So again, You got the Packout. I got the sockets that I really preferred. And then I also got these Impact driver bit sets. It's a 100-piece set, 48, 32, 51, 50. The big thing about these are the new ones that are Packout compatible. They work with your Packout system. I had been wanting to try these, but I just really didn't need bits, to be honest with you. But I've been wanting to build me a Packout slim organizer for bits for a long time. I've been wanting to maybe get somebody to 3D print me some pieces to be able to put inside of one of these, just because, again, I'm in Packout. If I wasn't in Packout, I wouldn't even be looking at this, but this just makes it nice that it snaps in and out of my truck, makes it more usable for me. So basically you can take these inserts out of one of these, and these cases now, when you open these up, they fit inside of this Packout and allow you to build yourself a set. Now you can take this clear top off by pulling out that pin, or you can just leave it unsnapped and put it in there like that. And now that shuts, and those stay in there, and that's a nice set that I'm going to be able to build. So now I can take out some of these bits that come with it, change some out for drill bits, things like that. Build myself my most used set. So again, those bits cost $80 regular price, but they're never really that price. I think they're on sale for $40. So I got a $50 Packout. I got $40 worth of bits. I got 10% off. So ultimately, that makes me justified in a way that I got those sockets for around $145. Now, can you still get a set of 1/2-inch impact sockets for cheaper than $145? Absolutely you can, but to be honest with you, I don't think you're going to get a set this nice. And my 3/8 set, I think, goes up to 3/4. Most of the cheaper sets that you're going to find on Amazon, they only go up to 1 inch. So I would have only been gaining like 4 sizes if I'd have went with those, versus these got a lot of sizes that are up above where my 3/8 set goes to. So I really got a lot more sizes in this, and I think if you go find some sets that have these, you're going to be spending, you know, closer to that $140 for a metric and a standard set than going and buying you a $40 or $50 set. So I think that the price isn't bad. And again, did I really pay $145 for those? No, I paid $250 for those. But again, I'm able to, in my mind, say you were going to buy a $50 Packout case anyways. You really were wanting to do this, so I got these for free. So it just came out to be a good deal for me. Now, you guys let me know below if you've built you out one of these, how well you've kind of liked it. This is an expensive setup if you were to build this, because you'd have to buy these for $40, buy you one of these for, I think they're $30, $35, something like that. So you're looking at $70. Now, I would buy this setup before I buy the shockwave set. They sell a Packout set that's just one of these and a bunch of loose bits that's usually on sale for like $59, $69. I think that this is a better setup than that, because you at least get something that holds them in there. I would still rather prefer that they come out with things like this that actually hold bits that fit in there, the trays, and maybe you could double stack them. And again, one day maybe I'll get a 3D printer and learn how to do that or something like that. But you guys let me know down in the comments below if my justification was good or if I'm just full of baloney. But I have them. I was able to talk my wife into them, so it worked for me. But you guys let me know in the comments below, again, if you have any of these, what you think of them. I think that this is a good set. I mean, a lot of good sizes in here, and man, that's nice. It's just an enjoyable socket set to use. I love my 3/8, and if you're going to do something, if you want to use something that's a lifetime set, every time I go to get my toolbox and I go to grab one of these out, it's just an enjoyable moment. That's what I go for, so I'm willing to spend a few extra dollars for that. But hope this was useful in some ways. Again, it's still on sale right now. I doubt there's very many of you that are in the same exact, boat as me, that you want some 1/2-inch impact sockets, you use Packout, you want to build you a Packout bit case, or you need some bits. I think it's a good deal if it just so happens to check all those things on your list. Other than that, it might not be a good deal for anybody else. But, whoa, before I forget, Seesii, I think that's how you say it, they have reached out to me asking me if I would be interested in using one of their 1/2-inch impacts. It's a newer version that they have that's very compact, they say, up to 738 foot-pounds. I actually don't have a 1/2-inch impact. All I use is my 3/8 stubby, and I put an adapter on it, and it takes off everything I've ever wanted to. I'm always amazed at how strong that M12 stubby is. But you guys let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in seeing that. I don't have anything to compare it with. I don't have any fancy way of testing if their foot-pounds and all that stuff's right. You know, I could get it and show you the features and take off lug nuts or something like that. I mean, I'm not built like the Torque Test channel where I can, you know, try out stuff like that. I don't have any kinds of those things. But you know, if you want me to get that and try that out, and if anybody's interested in that, the price is good if you were in the market for one. But again, I don't know if it's a tool brand that anybody would typically normally buy. But you can let me know in the comments below if anybody's interested in seeing that. I'll get it and try it out and make a video for it. And if not, we'll just pass on it. But hope it was useful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you on the next video.